Right, welcome to Bespoke Flooring Solutions, everyone. This is another video how to do a little bit of preparation and install carpet tiles. This is a big massive office in central London. As you can see, we have installed the carpet tiles, grey color, and with one extra step here. This took us almost 3 days. There were lots of preparation, latexing and removing the old carpet tiles, which I had uploaded the video before, but let's see a little bit of it now. Right, so these are all the carpet tiles, the old one. It took us 2 days to remove it. As you can see, all these areas were very well stuck down, and we had to use nibblers and even drills with massive head of scraper. So as you can see, it was probably installed with wet tackifier, and all the latex and leveling compound came off as well. I mean, look at it. We had a nibbler that didn't work very well, so we had to just use the hammer drill, and this got us out of trouble. It just seems like this carpet tiles, these cops have been laid with F3, but we struggled massively. And yeah, these are the latex and leveling compound. We had too many different of it because we had to use the multi-pro for the adhesive area without priming. There we go. So that's the latexing leveling compound. We do start from one corner. Yeah, it required like nearly 4 to 5 mil, in some places even 10 to 15 mil leveling compound. Spike rolled it as well, so make sure we get it nice and smooth. I know it doesn't need for carpet tiles, but in some places we just had to do it. Right, let it dry and we'll come back tomorrow. Another day, and it's drying. So we've got the scabbler machine, the spinner, buffer, whatever you call it. Smooth it all out. This is how the client likes it. And now it's time for the centralization of the area chalk line. Hit that hard on the subfloor so we get a good blue line all over the long office. And now it's time for F41 F-ball tackifier adhesive. Really good quality adhesive for carpet tiles. You just have to roll it on. Roll in the center and then basically go lift to the right and let it dry for like 20 minutes to half an hour. Let some air come into the area, and then you can start laying the carpet tiles. Now it's the installation time. It was 3-4 of us here. Now we are enjoying installing the carpet tiles. It's nice and simple. You just butt the 2 corners and in it goes. Simple as that. Right, let's just walk backwards. Wow, that was a big area. Right, more of carpet tiles installation. Okay, as long as you don't get gaps between the carpet tiles, that will be absolutely fine. So yeah, anyone could lay it. Look at this office, massive. We need some fan because it was quite warm in here. We love installing carpet tiles, nice and simple, especially if there's no preparation to be done with subfloor. Then you just fly, as we've done it here. The installation of carpet tiles just took us 1 day, but it was more about preparation, which took us nearly 3 days here. Boys were tired, but we'll give him a good cup of tea and coffee and some cakes once this job is done as a bonus. Probably a little bit of pay rise there for them. Right, let's go and walk backwards. Look at this space, it's massive. Done. We love it, and the job is completed now. It's a beautiful carpet tiles. And we've got a little bit left over here for the client. Don't forget, F41 adhesive is the best to lay the carpet tiles. A little bit of details cut here. On the left hand side frame, that's cut. Bish bosh and the bash, job done. This is the end area, and we've got a little bit of kitchen unit there. Let's just walk back one more time to see this big massive office that we just installed carpet tiles. That's how big it is. We're happy, and let's just walk from the doorway into the room. Look at this space. Massive. Right, thank you very much, guys. Good luck whatever you do, and we are done, and let's go home. Good luck to whatever you do. Bye bye.